and
Top.
sorry.
Can I ask you to explain again because I couldn't hear you?
Okay, perfect. I
Yeah.
didn't know that you didn't hear me at all. No, no. The fact that I want to take English lesson is more based on my work. So for sure, me in my job, I'm in marketing. So, and I have to speak very often with meeting, can be with other business, can be with internally with business, can be. So my goal is really to have a better English speaking, to always use the good word and everything. Like the for sure, if I can increase, but have a less French accent also when I talk, it can be good. But it's not the it's not that bad if I speak with an accent. It's more I want to make sure to have the good vocabulary when I'm in meeting and when I meet other people for my job.
Okay, okay. So, can I ask you to explain more about your company, about your field? Yes. So,
Yeah.
yeah, about these meetings, about the topics of these meetings. Yeah.
Oh, but in fact, first my role is a marketing VP, so I'm in charge of the marketing in the company. For now, my company, the field of my company is in automotive, so we sell car. But to be honest, it can be like we never know if I will change job or anything. So the main subject will should be always the marketing and all the business expression over that selling car, because like maybe one day I will change to be in another business and not even be in the car industry. So it's more in general. um, uh, for the topic can be like when I have a meeting, the topic can be we try to get the better result with our advertising on Google, on Facebook. The topic can be we prepare marketing campaign, advertising campaign on TV, on billboard, on out of home, on radio. So can be a lot of things. Can be just how to present me well when I'm going in a meeting. Also. With people that I don't necessarily know, but they don't speak French, so everything has to be in English. So yes, it's for the job, but for the job, you always have to present yourself, to explain yourself and everything. So it's more than just talking about job. It's really to have a professional speaking when I meet these people.
You're a performance marketer.
Marketer in general, I will like yes, I will be in charge of the performance marketing with like we will say the programmatic marketing with Google, with Facebook, with AdSense and everything. But I will be in charge also of the we will call traditional marketing, that um, is the TV, radio, and everything like inside the store. I will be in charge also to the marketing. I manage the team, in fact, so that will cover every area of the marketing.
And what about the advertisements?
What do you mean? What
Um, we have Google Ads. You know what I mean?
But advertisement is very general for me. Like that, like what about the advertisement? It can be exactly like it can be on Google, it can be on TV, can be video, can be a lot of things. So, but